Welcome to this key, rewiring the brain to create positive emotional experiences. This is one of my favorite keys because when I first explored and learnt about these topics that I'm going to present to you, a lot of things clicked into place for me. In this key, we continue our exploration of the mind, but now we will also look at how it influences our emotions. At the end of this module, you will have a clearer understanding about how the mind is linked to your emotions, and you will understand how thinking patterns become entrenched and why they are difficult to change. You will also know how to break the feedback loop between the mind and the emotions, and you will understand how to create new patterns of thinking. And you will also understand the importance of embodied awareness, that is, having your awareness anchored inside your body. I recommend that you spend at least 2 weeks on this key before moving to the next one to help you to anchor and experience the teachings. So in this key, we're going to explore why it is difficult to change our thinking from a scientific perspective. And we're also going to explore how thoughts are linked to emotions and how we can break the feedback loop between the two to change our experience. And lastly, as I mentioned, we're going to talk about the power of having our awareness anchored inside our physical being. So let's begin with the first lecture. See you soon.